I'm a delivery driver that finds trash on my route to flip for money. This particular customer of mine goes to auctions on storage units, and when the hardware is missing or a piece is broken, he tosses it out in this huge pile, and I pilfer almost daily.
It's like I have competition. That's okay. I already got all the good stuff.
Let's see what we can do. While I give a quick inspection on the street to make sure it doesn't have any bugs, I give it a better inspection when I get home to determine how much cleaning is going to need to be done, if there are any repairs, while I'm kind of going over in my mind exactly what I might want to do with it. This piece is missing some of the stabilizer blocks on the inside, so it's got the wibble wobble willy bad. Looks like most of it is intact. It just needs to be glued and then clamped for a day or two. I do not want to sand this down to its original glory and then restain. So I'm going to do a trick. We're going to take some furniture wax and some oil-based gel stain, mix them together and darken it, kind of bring out, so the furniture wax is going to help with all of the scratches that are on it, and gel stain will help color whatever is discolored or scratched on it to kind of bring it all cohesive like. So these products are from Dixie Belle. This is their gel stain. This is one of the products I like to use over paint when I don't feel like sanding something down. You can also, of course, stain bare wood with it. And then this is the furniture wax I like to use. It's a refinisher. It's a sealer. It smells nice. It helps with scratches, just in case you're wondering. If you're not wondering, then just, proceed to watch the video. So you just have some discoloration. There's some scratches here. Disclaimer, I'm a contaminator. If I'm using two products, I dip one in the other. Feel free not to do that. If you can, have the patience, go on about your bad self, but I ain't that bad. I mix. So I'm just going to grab a little bit of that with that, and then I'm coming in here, and with it on my thing, I'm just gonna grab it together, and I'm gonna mix it together on the piece. You're really going to be able to see it on this back. She ended up pooping up there.
I love the smell of it. I don't know why.
Of her poop?
Oh, this.
Oh my gosh, girl.
I'm sorry.
You had me,
I'm sorry.
you had me worried.
Yeah, her poop smells so good.
Oh my gosh.
Did I scare you a little bit?
A little bit. I was like, oh my gosh. We have not done it. We have failed as parents. Therapy! More therapy!
No, I'm talking about this. I don't know why.
Hmm.
Oh yeah, because I did just get done telling you that I cleaned up her poop.
You did. Now I'll take a clean, lint-free cloth and buff out any extra. I'm gonna do. Nothing. I'm just tired. Suddenly, my camera just keeps popping out of my stupid holder. It's really annoying. Now I'll just take what's left of this and do the insides of the drawers without the stain and clean this up. So of course this was not the original hardware to the piece. That was either broken or missing. So I actually had these already in the boneyard. So I put them in the areas and they covered up the spots of the old hardware pretty well. So I'm pretty happy with it. So this was a pretty easy piece to work on considering I picked it straight from the trash. I just cleaned it up. I had to secure a few of the stabilizers within it. I shined it up and I think it's pretty awesome. What do you guys think? Play hard, peace out.